Hello ladies and gents, I am back. It has been a while since I uploaded. I do apologize for the kind of lack of uploads. I have been receiving messages which is very kind saying, you haven't uploaded in this amount of time. What's happening? You okay? Where have you been? I've been all good, guys. So, for those of you that don't know, I might have mentioned this. I'm sure I did mention this on a video before, that I was essentially trying to do a monk mode for like January and February, just being as concentrating as I can on my trading and reading and just basically doing the best I can. And you guys may have noticed I did release a video on deleting Instagram for 30 days. And in fact, I have deleted it. I still don't really use it. I do check in time to time if anyone has messaged on there, but again, I don't really use it. So I do highly implore you guys to actually check that video out and see what is the benefits of actually deleting social media on your trading, especially if you are early on in the game, okay? It does obviously help, as you might expect, improve your efficiency in terms of day to day. I'm sure you guys can guess like how many minutes or hours are typically wasted on, using Instagram. And it's interesting to see what happens when you actually delete the app and see what your brain tries to find in terms of dopamine bursts, okay, like little forms of entertainment here and there. For me, like I said, I basically deleted it and ended up like managing to read a lot more than I usually did. And that is something that I want to actually quickly jump on this video, guys. So I have been reading quite a few books, obviously since the start of the year. And one of the highlights of one of the books I've read is Thinking in Bets by Annie Duke. I did release a video on to do with why the law of attraction alone does not work. You might actually see that. It's probably the video before this one. So have a check of that. I do mention and cite Annie Duke and what she says in her book about that. But again, guys, the reason why I'm actually telling you to actually check out the book Thinking in Bets by Annie Duke is because it is very, very good in terms of probabilistic thinking, okay? Remember, like I say, if you guys are traders and you're trading in a probabilistic manner, purely technical traders, then definitely do check out that book. It's so good. It definitely gives you an insight in the minds of poker players, and it definitely tells you, there's definitely a nice crisscross between what we do and poker players in terms of thinking in probabilities, okay? So guys, definitely do check that out. Now, one of the things that I definitely do want to mention on this video is that I have now created a second channel, okay? I know some of you guys have really enjoyed the kind of backtesting content that I've created, also the live trades that I've done, what I've been in terms of live trades, and basically anything that is hardcore, well, very much to do with my trading, okay? So I've actually decided to create a separate channel called WonderKid Works, okay? It is in the banner of my channel art on my YouTube channel, but I will write a link down in the description below of the channel. So guys, what I do on this channel is that I do essentially every weekday in the morning, I do a morning forecast and trade recap so you guys can see what I'm looking at in the market ahead for the day, and also what trades I've been in. So that's very important. It's good for me to help explain my kind of mental thought process, go through the thought process of talking on a video and showing you guys what I'm thinking when I'm looking at the market and why I've entered in positions. And of course, is if you guys are interested in how I'm trading or the kind of guerrilla strategy, then take a look at those videos. So I will be posting like literally every weekday my morning forecast. So if you guys are interested, feel free to watch that. Typically it's between 10 to 15 minutes long, so check that out. But again, my if I do, which I probably will do, like my backtesting videos that I've done on this channel, it will be uploaded onto that channel. And so similar with live trades and anything kind of, when it's me doing technical work, it will be uploaded on that channel. Now this channel is going to be a little bit more on the side of entertainment purposes, okay? So of course, I have really enjoyed posting like I say, the backtesting videos and all the like technical trade videos on this channel. But again, one of the things that I have noticed is since I've actually created this YouTube channel, a lot more of the attention goes towards the content that I've created that is a little bit more entertainment purpose, a little bit more to do with FTMO prop trading. This is what people typically click on. But again, for me, I'm not really going to be making too many videos, if at all, on these kind of prop trading firms. Again, it's not really the focus, and I don't want it to be the focus of your lives as well, especially if you're traders out there, and especially if you're early on in the game. And that's something that I will touch on in a minute. So again, I will be thinking on what kind of content I can create on this channel for you guys that is a little bit more on the side of entertaining and interesting and thought-provoking, maybe provides you a bit of an edge, like my kind of last two videos that are to do with deleting Instagram and about the law of attraction that is quietly heavily boasted about in life when you're thinking about positive visualization. So again, just little things, little entertaining kind of videos like that are still educational, but like I say, more on the side of entertainment will be on this channel. But again, all my hardcore technical work and everything that I look at trades wise, forecasting wise, will be on the channel called WonderKid Works, okay? So like I said, check it out. It is in the description below. And this is another thing I want to touch on, okay? So the reason why I did this kind of monk mode for the last 2 months is, like I said, to really focus on my consistency, okay? Coming into at the end of last year, November, December, we knew that it would be tough months for me. It was a little bit of a tough month, but again, I want to actually focus on becoming the asset, work on the consistency. That is my primary focus, to be consistent, to be entering trades that are obviously very similar, if not the same as my mentor, and be producing consistent percentages for the longer term. And that's my main purpose. That is all it is. It's not on prop trading firms. To me, like I say, they add a lot of psychological pressure, which they do. But again, for me, what's going to matter in the long term? Is it going to be the prop trading firms I can land right now? No, not really, especially in this current month and where I'm at right now. I want to purely focus on consistency and trading my pairs in and out till they become literally second nature. Then I'm happy to do whatever when it comes to more prop trading firms and other investments and things like this, okay? But again, like I say, I hope that actually, just me saying that actually inspires you and makes you think about, hey, yes, these prop trading firms are very nice and very cool to look at, and everyone clicks on them, and oh yeah, everyone knows about X person's size of account and this and that. But again, the truth about it is that, if you want to be a proper trader, which is what I want to be, what I am and what I will continue to be, is I have to retain on the main purpose, which is become the asset and remain the asset, not on like trying to actually get these prop trading firms and then just post all different types of content on these prop trading firms, okay? So again, like I say, I will actually be posting more kind of a little bit more fun videos on these on this channel, a little bit more entertainment kind of side videos. I know people have been sending me suggestions. Someone has suggested to actually do a video on how I do an ASR, and that may help you guys on how to do an advanced self-review at the end of the week, covering your trades and how to see how you improve for the next week. So again, I'll probably do a video on that for you guys. But again, like I say, this is what's going to be happening for WonderKid, the channel as we go forward. It's now separated into two. WonderKid Works is where all my technical work and all my forecasting, backtesting, all the hardcore chart work will be, and the trades I've been in, whilst the WonderKid will be more more on the side of entertainment and a little bit more fun, okay? Now guys, like I always say, if you have any suggestions for the kind of videos that you'd like to see me do, please feel free to write it down in the comment section below. And again, like I've really enjoyed, like I say, since the beginning of my YouTube journey, just creating and focusing on the content that is a lot more valuable for you guys rather than the content that is a lot more clickbaity. Like I've obviously noticed that the kind of FTMO side of videos that I did was the ones that people really click on, especially with the My Forex funds and things like this. So I'm happy to do some of them, like not as frequently. I'm not really want to be inflaming these kind of prop trading firms and doing a lot of videos to show you guys, hey, this is what you should be applying for. It'll be interesting to see if they release stats or if anything happens with them. Then of course I'm happy to talk about it. That's more on the side of entertainment. But again, like I want this channel to help you guys either provide, like I always say, value in the form of different types of edges that you may have not thought of before, exactly like my last video when I talked about literally law of attraction and why it doesn't work alone. So again, I hope you guys are okay with that. And like I say, please guys, genuinely, if you guys want to see me do a specific video, please let me know down in the comment section below. Honestly, I'll be happy to actually create a video on that and actually post it up. And honestly, like I always say, guys, I wish you the best in your trading journey. We all know trading, of course, is a lonely business. It's not easy. It takes a lot of time to become the asset and become a good price action trader. If you are a price action trader, but a trader in general, because like I always say, the market is infinite chaos. It's about finding your order within that chaos and consistently pulling that trigger that fits your trade plan and thinking in that probabilistic way. That's the goal. We're not wired to think like that. So of course, if we have to push and train ourselves to become like that so that we become the asset. It's a skill and we become highly skilled in that. And then of course, from there on, it doesn't matter what kind of funding we get because we know we are consistently profitable, okay? So like I say, guys, I genuinely hope you guys have a fantastic trading week ahead. It's been so great to have you guys basically send me such positive comments on my channel so far. And from the bottom of my heart, I personally am very, very grateful that you guys are really enjoying the content. I'm glad even for the guerrilla trading community members, my content is providing a difference, helping you see the market in a slightly different way to then Josh sees it. Because like we always say, and that's another thing I want to quickly touch on. Josh is our mentor. If you don't know, he does mention that, okay, he will explain things very much in his own way. If I'm able to explain something that I see, that he sees too, of course, I explain it in a slightly different way, it may resonate with you more, and therefore it will help you to actually, well, improve your price action reading. So I'm very, very grateful that you guys have reached out to me and sent me very positive messages about that to help you in your trading journey, especially if you've been a GT member. But anyway, guys, like I say, I hope you have a fantastic trading week ahead. Feel free to chat to me down in the comment section below. But again, I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Peace.